of the Honorable Minority Leader, Senator Loren Ligarda will be the next interpellator. Thereafter, Senator Joel Villanueva will likewise interpellate before we suspend consideration of this measure. And thereafter, Mr. President, Senator J.V. Ejercito will take over the position as Majority Leader, acting Majority Leader, Mr. President.
Are you leaving?
Oh, no, Mr. President.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. President. Okay, so we are awaiting the reply of the sponsor, Mr.
Your
President.
Honor, Mr. President, I already have yung inyo pong concern, yung jurisdictions where ring fencing rules for where rules for mining exist. Medyo marami po. Argentina, Ecuador, Mongolia, Zambia, Australia, Ghana, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, karamihan Africa, Botswana,
Sige po, opo.
Guinea, New Zealand, Canada, Kazakhstan, Papua New Guinea, Kenya, Cook Islands, and so on.
Sige po, okay. Thank you po. Thank you, Mr. President. Ano pala yan? It's industry knows about the practice, vale, of other
That is correct.
jurisdictions. So, nagtataka lang siguro tayo bakit matagal nating in-adapt siguro. Adapted na pala ito sa ibang jurisdictions. Maybe, what is it? It's a 20-year-old practice in other jurisdictions?
Ilan matagal na?
Sierra Leone 2009.
Sierra Leone. Di ba?
Some case may 2009.
There's one case, Your Honor, Mr. President, Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone is 2009.
Apo, sige po.
Ghana to 2010. So
Okay,
about
that's,
15
that's-
years, 14,
Yes,
15
apa.
years.
So,
Mr. President.
Invented at least 1 decade ago. So, Mr. President, itong windfall profit tax naman is additional collection to, di ba? Kasi
30%.
sa mata ng estado, uy, teka muna, meron kang unexpected na na kinita, so itatax lang namin yung portion noon. So this is in favor of the state, Mr. President. Ito pong margin-based royalty, how does this work, Mr. President?
Margin-based royalty.
Same lang siya halos ng windfall profit. So, based on profit achievement.
Your Honor, Mr. President, according to our DOF Assistant Secretary, it's just the same as the almost the same as the windfall profit tax that is based on profitability, Your Honor. Mr.
Oh,
President.
yes. Pero ang windfall profit, ganito pagkaintindi ko. Kunyari, the mining company is dealing in, anong mineral? Anong maganda example? Nickel.
Nickel.
Let's say nickel. And then nickel. And then all of a sudden, nag-times 2 or times 3 ang world prices ng nickel. So, yun yata yun, di ba?
That's
The
correct.
additional income of that mining company would be a windfall profit. That's why we will now impose a windfall profit tax.
That
Okay.
is correct.
Medyo klaro yun. But what is this margin naman? Margin-based royalty. What is the meaning of the word margin?
A margin-based royalty for mines operating outside mineral reserve is being proposed given that the GOR had only undertaken minor exploration in these areas and hence incurred negligible exploration costs. So subsequently, the private mining companies will incur the bulk of the exploration costs. Thus, a margin-based royalty for outside mineral reservation ensures that equitable sharing of risks and costs between the government and the mining contractor, while guaranteeing the government's fair share from the extraction of the minerals.
So itong margin-based royalty is money out sa gobyerno? Okay.
Ano nga yun, kasi yung
Kesa is sa profitability unlike sa improving resolution based on gross revenue. Kasi
cost incurred by
by the private sector.
outside. It's outside. Mining outside the royalty.
So,
MR.
Mas tumataas yung
Sa mining outside.
yung income, yung
margins.
tumataas yung income mo sa same gross output, tumataas sa income mo.
Hindi, yung mga
So, ang margin niya is income, also, gross out walang ang income divided by gross revenue.
Versus.
That's how the margin is
Saan sila margin base?
Your Honor, Mr. President, according to our DOF, is that
Margin is
margin based for his
the margin is based on income divided by the gross output, Your Honor, Mr. President. So it's
So,
income divided by gross output.
so ito po ay, so we are going to treat the source of the minerals being mined. Number one is either sa within mineral reservation, declared mineral reservation, and then outside mineral reservation. Pagdating po doon sa declared mineral reservation, no change in the rules.
yes, 5%.
That is correct, Your Honor. It's 5%
Existing
based
law,
on gross revenue.
existing law, 5% of gross revenues.
Yes,
Sa panukala, no mention. Okay, so as is.
as is, Your
So
Honor.
ang bagong idea natin, yung mining outside of declared mineral reservations, itatax na natin ngayon.
Yes.
Okay, itatax muna
Yes, that is correct.
Because
With royalty.
existing law, walang tax.
Wala po. Walang royalty. Walang royalty.
Now, we will now tax it. And the name that we're giving the tax is margin-based royalty.
Yes.
That
That is correct.
That's just a name. That's the royalty tax. But it's margin-based.
Yes, that's correct.
It's not,
Yan pa rin. Aside from this.
So aside from this, Your Honor, Mr. President, the excise tax on minerals will still be there. So
Same.
iba pa ito.
kaya nga, no matter the source, the site of the source, may excise tax sila, which is on volume? What is
Based on gross revenue.
gross,
Gross,
rev-
gross output.
gross output? But gross
That is correct.
output is measured in volume. Weight. Is it weight?
It's mostly revenue.
It's mostly revenue, Your Honor, Mr. President.
So the value, sa value siya. Value, sa value naka-base. Okay. Okay, so this is a new tax. Okay, so
That is correct.
So ang expectation natin merong revenues for the government. At
That is correct.
how much is the projected naman na revenue for this new tax?
For royalty outside the reservation is 1 billion. Average 1.06 billion.
For royalty outside mineral reservations, projections on average of 1 billion
Every year.
every year, Your Honor, Mr. President.
An additional
1 billion.
revenue of 1 billion. Because how many are affected? How many, just an example, how many mining operations are being done outside of the declared mineral reservations as of the moment? $1 billion.
Outside.
Pero ano ba? Turo ko nga ano ba yung excise tax? Anong rule sa excise tax? Ito yan. In addition to, so lahat ng output nila may excise tax.
Rating.
What? How much? Nasa NIRC yan.
So kaya ko po tinatanong yung Mr. President is yung mga existing ngayon, tama po ba? Yung existing ngayon na mining operations sa non-mineral reservations, sa point of view nila, wala pa silang binabayad na royalty, magkakaroon ng margin-based royalty payment. So
That is correct.
kaya,
Mr. President.
so gusto ko lang malaman ilan ba yung maapektuhan? Yan lang po yun.
Getting the data. 41?
Hindi ko na makabasa eh. Sa ako lang basahin.
So ito yung mga tax na binabayaran nila.
So amount and 4% yes. So value siya.
Based on BIR data, 41.
Your Honor, Mr. President, based on BAR data, there are about 41.
41, sige. So 41 po. So yung from the 41, kukunin natin ngayon yung extra 1 billion. Tama. More or less, ganyan yung projection 1 billion.
That is correct.
Apo, apo. Sige po. Thank you. So Mr. President, napag-usapan na natin halos lahat yun except yung